Alright, what up YouTube? It's Essence from eSneaks, and I'm just coming through because I just came home from work and I got these two bad boys sitting right here waiting to be unboxed. So just give me a sec. Got a new little knife for, especially for unboxings. I got this one too, it's pretty nice too. It's like a haze. That's what the description said. Anyway, it's pretty nice. Yeah. Anyway, let's get to this. Get into the unboxing. I'm going to do this one first. And let's get it. So, take it. And I'm just showing you guys the shoes right now. I'll do a full review on them later. But I got these two pickups from Finish Line. This box out of the way. Bam! You already see what's on the box. Reebok Classic. And seat for the seat police, I guess. And a lot of other stuff. Order number. Well, order stuff. And then return policy. I can't show you guys that. Return policy. You can't see it, but yeah, that's that. And I got these for still. These retail for, I'll show you what size it is. It's a size 10, and it's a Kamikaze 2 mid, and then it retail for $109, but I got it for $65. So yeah, got it for a real good price. But that's the Kamikaze 2 breast cancer awareness. Can't talk awareness. You can see that it's the upper is like a suede, which is right here, suede, and then this is like some kind of leather. I'm guessing the leather got white shoestrings. Tongue is black and pink, and that white leather again, and there's the little leather like material right here too, and it has a little pink rain-like designs. Looks like raining pink and white, and then the lower is like rubber. I'm guessing some kind of rubber, pink and gray, and then black, and then another color of gray right there. Sorry about that. And then this is the sole. It's black with the pink Reebok logo, and then you got the Hexalite honeycomb thing going on right there and right there. And it's pretty straight though for $65. The Kamikaze 2 breast cancer. Guess I'll take out the other one too. I'm not sure if I'm going to keep them or wear them. It depends. But it can't be there for $65. You can see I paid even less. Now, what's on the tag? $79. I paid $60. $65. My bad. But that's that. Kamikaze. Turn that around like that. Slide it that way. You guys can still see it, sort of, kind of. On to box number 2. Cut that. Cut it. Get it. Let's get it. Put some out the way. I'll save those boxes just in case, I might want to ship something to somebody. But anyway, you can see the box right here. It's Adidas logo, and then in a like silhouette, you can see an 8. So you already know what these bad boys are. They're a pair of Crazy 8s. Let's see if I can get a better view. There you go. Crazy 8s, size 10. and they retail for $109, but I paid, got the return policy, receipt for the receipt police. I paid $72.59 in offer these bad boys. And opening 3. Wow, dropped the box. My box is a little damaged anyway, but anyway, there's a bit crazy 8s. Show you that side. And the bottom. Yeah, crazy 8s. Take both of them out first so you can see these. And like I said, I just wanted to stop through and just show you guys this before I do a review. Came home and saw these and I was so excited because I've been calling the post office for the last 2 days and I got them. But yeah, this is from E-Sneaks. Keep in touch. I'll be back with another video as soon as I get some more sneaks. Peace.